Hello students, welcome back to our new video, Jugs and Mugs workbook we are doing. To last video I had explained page number 60. Today we will continue our workbook page number 61. All of them open the page number 61. We will start doing the exercises of that. So keep ready the pencil or the things and open the book. You can see the I hope everybody had opened the book. So first question is coming here. It's the time to convert. So on the side of the text workbook you might have seen, I will read one time the clue given. 1000 liter equal to 1 kiloliter, that is KL. 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. 500 ml equal to 0.5 liter. 250 ml equal to 0.25 liter. 750 ml equal to 0.75 liter. This is already printed on the side of your workbook. So with the help of this, we are going to do the calculation. That's why I had separately done. You can see in your workbook there is very less place. So I had shown the method in another paper. So be careful when teacher is explaining, listen, then you copy the answer in the column. So here you can see now, first question, convert the following into milliliters, that is 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So one question here, A B C D E F G A B C D E F up to F it is given. So first one 6 liter. So convert into milliliter. The method, direct answer I am not shown. So that is why I am doing in a paper and showing. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. So 6 liter equal to 6 multiplied by 1000. So already you had studied how to multiply with the zeros. How many total zeros are there right on the right side? And 1 6 are 6. So the answer is 6000 ml. So when you will copy the answer 6000 ml, but how you got the answer, that's why I had given here the method. In the second number, 15 liter equal to 15 multiplied by 1000 equal to 15,000 milliliter ml. 30 right on the right side, 115s are 15. So 15,000 milliliter. Next question, 2 liter 970 milliliter. So the method you see here, first we will convert liter part. 2 liter equal to 2 multiplied by 1000, answer will get 2000 plus extra milliliter we have to plus 970 equal to 2970 ml. So the method is first convert liter to milliliter and extra milliliter we will plus along with that. Here next one, 18 liter 25 milliliter equal to 18 multiplied by 1000, 18,000 plus 25 extra. So it will get 18,025. Look at the place value, 18,025 milliliter or ml. Next one, 9 liter 750 milliliter. First convert 9 liter. 9 multiplied by 1000 equal to 9000 plus 750. So the answer will get 9750 ml. In this group, last question, 7 liter 5 milliliter. When we will do directly, you may do the mistake. That's why we are showing the method here. 7 liter equal to 7 multiplied by 1000, 7000 plus extra, that is 5 ml. So 7000 plus 5 equal to 7005 ml. So this is the conversion of liter to milliliter. Now question number 2. Next one, that is fifth number. Express the following in liters and milliliters. Here milliliter given, you have to write as liter and milliliter. For that reverse method we will take 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So 4000 ml equal to 4000 ml means 4000 upon 1000. Upon 1000 meaning is this 0 and this 30 we can cancel each other. So what we will get answer? 4 liter. So the method also I had shown. There is a easy method is there, that means 3 decimal place from right to left we can count and put a dot, then also the answer will get. So here you can see 90,075 ml. 90,075 upon 1000. 1000 is having how many 0? 1, 2, 3. Here cancellation not possible. So 3 decimal place remove from here 1, 2, 3. So after 90 we will put 1 dot. So 90 liter 75 milliliter. So 90.75. So the answer will get 90 liter 75 milliliter. Next one, 1305 milliliter. 1305 upon 1000. 1000 is having 3 zeros, so 3 decimal place 1, 2 and 3. So after 1 we will put 1 dot. So 1.305. So 1 point means 1 liter 305 milliliter. So 1 liter 305 milliliter. Then next one, 6525 milliliter equal to 6528 upon 1000. Here also cancellation not possible. So 1, 2 and 3 decimal place remove from right to left. So the number will become 6 point. That means 6 liter 528 milliliter. Next one, 10,250 ml. So 10,250 upon 1000. So upon 1000 what we will get it? 3 decimal place remove 1, 2 and 3. So the number will become 10.250. So 10 point means 10 liter 250 milliliter. In this group, the last one, 2065 milliliter. 2065 upon 1000. So again cancellation not possible. So 1, 2 and 3 decimal place remove. So 2.065. So 2 point means 2 liter. 065 means 65 milliliter. So this way we can convert the given milliliter into liter and milliliter. In this case 000 milliliter will come, so no need of mentioning. Others all 3 decimal place we will remove for the milliliter and remaining will be the liter. Now next question. In this part, next one, look at the question given. Seema and Reema are trying to convert the units, that is liter to milliliter and milliliter to liter. Who is correct? So in your workbook full written, but here I had shown only answer. So first I will read. You can see in your textbook, in workbook, the Seemas and Reemas given. So the question is given. First one, 2 liter 65 milliliter. 2 options are given. Seema's option given 265 ml and Reema 2065 ml. Which is the correct one? 2 liter meaning is 2000 plus 65. So 2065. So whose answer is correct? Reema's answer is correct one. So I had written in this paper only the correct answer. So wrong answer I am not shown here. In your workbook already there, but tick marking is the correct one. So the method, first we will convert 2 liter into 2000 plus 65. So 2065. So this is the right answer. Like that, B, 5 liter 25 milliliter. So two options are given. CMAS option given 5250 and REMAS option given 5025 ml. So 5 liter meaning is 5000 plus 25. What is the right answer? 5025. So whose answer is correct? REMAS answer is correct. So I had tick mark here. 5025 is the correct answer. C, 6255 ml equal to, first option CMA told 6 liter 250 ml and REMA told 6 liter 255 milliliter. So whose answer is correct? 6255 upon 1000, 3 decimal place remove 1, 2 and 3. So what we will get? 6 liter and 255 milliliter. So again REMA's answer is correct. So 6 liter 255 milliliter. Now in this group, last one, 8005 milliliter equal to 3 decimal place from right to left, 1, 2 and 3. So 8 liter 5 milliliter. So whose answer is correct here? Here CMA's answer is correct. REMA is wrongly written 8 liter 50. But here the correct answer is 8 liter 5 milliliter. So CMA's answer is correct. So here I had tick mark CMA's answer column. So here correct answer only shown on this paper. In your workbook, wrong answer, correct answer both given. So you have to find out only the correct answer. I hope you are followed now and do it also correctly. If any doubt coming, you listen the video again and again, so you will get a clear picture of that. Now next question, let us measure the liquids. In this page, the last question. So here, a milkman has measuring containers of capacity 100 milliliter, 200 milliliter, 250 milliliter and 500 milliliter. You can see in your textbook here different cans picture also given. 100 ml can given, 200 ml can given, 250 ml can given, 500 ml can given. Now what is the question? Using these cups to measure the following quantities of milk. Some particular quantity of milk given and how to use these particular cans and measure the correct that amount or the capacity. So first one, 700 ml. So by using these different measurements containers, how can you measure 700 ml? So I had taken here 500 ml one can plus 200 ml another one. So if we will take 500 ml plus 200 ml, 500 plus 200 we will get 700 ml. So a milkman can use 500 ml one full and 200 ml also he can take. Second number, if he wants to measure 600 ml, which cans he can use it. So first he can use 500 ml one can and 100 ml can also he can use. So 500 one can plus 100 ml one time. So total will be 500 plus 100 equal to 600. So he can use this way. Third number, 750 ml if he want to measure, how can he measure? First he can take 500 ml one can plus 250 ml another one. So if he will take 500 ml plus 250 ml, he will get 750 ml. So we can use these two cans for using 750 ml measuring. Then next one, 850 ml measurement. How he will use? He can use 500 ml one time, then 250 ml one more time, then 100 ml also he can take. So total you see 500 plus 250, 750, 750 plus 100, 850 ml. So he can use 500 ml can, 250 ml can, and 100 ml can he can use for measuring 850 ml milk. Next one, 450 ml. How he will measure with the help of these cans? He can take 250 ml can plus 200 ml can. So 250 plus 200 equal to 450 ml. So he can use this. Now from this group, last question. If he wants to measure 350 ml milk, which cans he can use? 250 ml can he can take plus 100 ml can also he can take. 250 plus 100 equal to 350 ml. So by using this different type of measurement jars or the measurement containers, he can measure this particular quantity of milk. So I hope students today you had completed. Along with this, I am also going to wind up. Remaining part of the chapter we will do in the next video. Till then, you complete your work. We will meet again.